It doesn't seem like it should be possible. How does a few hours of rain turn into a wall of water 30 or even 40 feet high? That's the danger and the reality of a flash flood. In July 2025, parts of central Texas saw more than 20 inches of rain in just a few days. One camp in Kerr County got 6.5 inches in under 3 hours. But the real threat wasn't just how much rain fell, it's where that water ended up. The ground in Texas Hill Country, it does not absorb water. Not well, at least. It's rock, not soil. Hard-packed, sun-baked limestone and clay don't soak it in. They shed the water. So the rain becomes a runoff. And that runoff doesn't spread, it funnels. It races downhill. Even a single inch of rain falling on 1 square mile equals over 17 million gallons of water. Multiply that by 20 inches across dozens of square miles, and you are suddenly dealing with billions of gallons, all draining into tight, narrow channels. And that runoff, it doesn't trickle. It gathers. It gathers fast. Let it be in canyons, creek beds, in places designed to move water downhill like a chute. That's how the Guadalupe River near Kerrville rose 30 feet in 45 minutes. Not gradually, but violently. That wasn't water creeping up a bank. That was a sudden surge, roaring through like a freight train. It doesn't take much to become deadly. 6 inches of moving water can knock an adult off their feet. 12 inches, it will float most cars. And 2 feet, even a full-size pickup, can be pushed off the road. Believe it or not, water is heavy. A single cubic foot weighs over 62 pounds. And when it's moving fast, it hits hard. At just 9 miles per hour, water can exert over 250 pounds of sideways pressure per square foot. That's hundreds of pounds pressing against every part of your vehicle or your body. Doors buckle. Foundations shift. People don't stand a chance. Most flash flood deaths in the United States, and there's about 88 each year, they happen in vehicles. People underestimate what they're facing. They misjudge the depth or the speed, or they assume their car could power through. It's not about the car at that point. It's about the water. And the water always wins. There's another danger, too, the timing. Flash floods don't build over days. They erupt in minutes. Sometimes the storm isn't even overhead. A downpour miles away can send a wave of water straight into a tower under blue skies. That's what makes flash floods so deadly. You don't always see them coming. So when you hear the terms, turn around, don't drown, it's not a slogan, it's a fact. 2 feet of water moving fast can hit with the force of a box truck, and that is not survivable. This isn't just weather, it's terrain, it's volume, it's physics, and it moves faster than you think. These are Interesting Things with JC.